delicious. What? This week's Dom Fam mystery. This week, I just need to make sure nothing was on my teeth. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is so exciting. I love surprises. Today is an Amazon mystery beauty box. I ordered 2 mystery beauty boxes, one for me, one for you. I'm gonna ship it to you. I have no idea what's in both. I was so shocked to see what was inside of mine today. I'm so excited to see what you guys get. Make sure to take a photo whenever you receive it so we can see what you got inside. Some of the boxes will be more luxury or cheapy, so you just don't know what you're gonna get. I was very surprised, let's just say that. This week, our Dom Fam mystery box winner is Tina. If you want to see what Tina got, make sure to head over to my Instagram so you can see everything that she got. I just posted a picture of her with her Dom Fam mystery box, and you guys are gonna get this box. So if you want to enter to get a Dom Fam mystery box, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram. Make sure to hashtag this Dom Fam mystery box in my comments right here, along with your IG handle so I can DM you. Before we get into the video and see what is inside this box, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom Fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. My hair looks really greasy right now, but that's just because I put so much product to make it have that wet look, so it looks just greasy. Just try to ignore it. It's supposed to be cute in like wet hair, so just pretend like it is. I am so excited because I love a good surprise and I love a good mystery. So I have the 2 Amazon mystery boxes right here. One is for me and one is for you guys, for my Dom Fam. Hopefully I pick a good box. I'm gonna pick, let's just go with this top one right here. It says makeup surprise mystery. Whatever is inside is what we're gonna do a full face with, and that is the challenge today. So here we go. I just wanna show that I'm opening this mystery box with you guys. Cut away from my face. There we go. That was dangerous and scary. What is that? Ooh, it looks like we got some cute little makeup sponges, makeup wipes. I hope there's more makeup in here. Hold on. Are we gonna be able to do a video with this? Okay, makeup sponge. Looks like something you get from the dollar store, but they're really cute. And then they have these lipsticks and lip balms. This is definitely dollar store vibes, which is not bad. We can still find some cute makeup at the dollar store. So there's these 3 lipsticks. They're all reds. The lipstick has a really pretty floral print on it, but we also get these 3 unicorn lip balms in pink, blue, and green, and they have like these little unicorns on them. How cute. This is like my little sister kind of makeup. Sorry, it's the Sexy Kiss Lip. Why am I saying limp? Lip plumping tint and shine. There's a lot of lip products. I hope I can do some other things with this. What else do we have? A nail file. You can shine, shape, buff, shine, all the things with the nails. This actually is gonna come in handy for me because, you know. Okay, flat highlight brush. This is definitely not a highlight brush because it's so fat. Definitely not. This is a hydration base. Is it a primer or is it a foundation? We're going to find out a little bit later. We have another brush. This is a dual-ended brush, a crease and a flat definer brush. These actually look pretty good to me. From Princesa. We have a makeup sponge. It looks like a good shape. Oh, hold on, wait a minute. We actually have a full kit here so we can do our eyes, lips, a lip pencil, an eye pencil, endless smoky eyes. Oh, yes. We have all the shades. And we have blush and lips. We have enough. I was nervous that we wouldn't have enough. I'm probably gonna have to use my own lashes, but I think we have enough to do a full look, and we have more eyeshadows. This reminds me of Christmas when I was in middle school, because I would always get these kits, like these big makeup kits. Everybody knew I loved them, but I'd always get the ones from the dollar store. I don't know if that's just a me thing, but I would always get these, so it's throwing back some memories for me. Let me see what this is. Oh, wait a minute. There's color in there. Don't know if it's the right color, but it's color. I mean, it's obviously, it looks like it's gonna be very sheer. Wow, I have a lot of eyeshadow to work with. I kind of just want to use a primer just in case because my skin is very sensitive. So I want to use a base and I want my skin to be hydrated. So I'm going to use my favorite from my friend JD Wadey, her collab with my brand primer. This one's really, really good. Great moisturizer. It smells amazing. So I'm just going to put it on really quick. I actually put it on my neck and go upwards to give myself a little massage. I learned that from Jade. She's really amazing with all these facial massages and stuff. So I learned all of my skincare from her videos. She's a really great teacher. So Now that my base is set, I'm gonna go into the foundation. So here we go. I probably could have just went to the dollar store with how much I paid for this, but that's okay. So the shape is nice, but this is extremely like thick. You know, usually they're like bouncy and flexible. No, girl, this one's thick and strong. So obviously I'm gonna wet it, but I don't think it's going to get that soft. Maybe it will magically, I don't know. I'm gonna be back with it nice and wet. So I'm back, she's a little bit bigger. And I know this is not my color, but let me tell you right now, the product itself is very thick, which I did not expect, and way too light for me, but it's okay. But I like the finish of this. I'm really surprised. I wish it was my color. Honestly, it's not a lot of coverage. If you have nice skin already, you don't need to cover anything up. It might be nice. They have a weird name for it, but it's basically like a BB cream, I think. This didn't come with contour or anything else. I'm gonna do that off camera. So I'm gonna do that really quick and I'll be right back. You know what? I'm actually not mad at the coverage I have under my eyes. It looks very healthy and bright. I also got some lip balms, these really cute 90s Lisa Frank style lip balms. You know what? We're gonna have fun. I normally would go with the pink one, but I'm gonna use the blue one and see what happens because it's Halloween-y. Ooh, this smells like cotton candy. I should smell them. Is that lime? Apple, blue raz, and strawberry. Oh wow. This one doesn't really smell like anything. So I'm gonna take the blue raz because it smells so good. Ooh, and it just glides on the lips. And it kind of turns them a tint of blue. Wow, this is actually really good. I'm gonna try the pink one. These are actually pretty good. They're clear, they just have like a little tint. This one has the most mattes. This is all matte actually, which is perfect. Because a lot of the other ones are shimmery shadows. And these old school, oh my god, applicators. Do you remember these? And I used to do my eyeshadow with this, like blend and everything. Start off with this guy right here. I hope these shadows are good. I'm gonna work that on my crease. And I think what I'm gonna do is just really smoke out this look. I'm really surprised on how this is blending out so nicely. Wow, stepping up their game at the dollar store. Take this purple right here, this deep purple, and mix it in with this brown. I took a little bit of this lilac too. Just mixing it in all of these and creating our own color. I don't feel like I'm getting a lot of the purple. It's just kind of all fading to like a brown. I'm not mad at it because it's not like patchy or anything, so I can still move it around. Take this crease and flat definer brush. Who is this from? Princesa. And bring it out just to clean up the bottom edge. Same here, I just want to clean it up a little bit under the brow bone. Now I'm going to take some concealer from those colors. It has a nice grip if you want to do like a base. I'm going to put it there, just let it sit for 2 seconds and then blend it with my finger, like pat it in. You can really get any eyeshadow to work, even if it's from the dollar store or whatever, because I know I remember I used to make it work no matter where it was from, with a base. I just found a new compartment in the square guy. Oh, it closed up, but it's all lips. So we have more options for lip, you guys. Now I'm just gonna pop on this shadow. This is the L'Oreal Los Angeles L19 brush. I'm gonna take the clean side because I was just use this for a look. These shadows have like an interesting, I don't know, it just takes me back, and it's not bad. It's just a smell that I like. I'm weird. I like the smell of
gasoline, so.
I'm gonna take a little bit of this weirdly, oddly satisfying smell of a shadow on my eyelid. So I'll take it with this brush right here. I'm using a yellow, honestly, because my eyes have been looking a little dark. And whenever my eyes look dark or anything looks dark around my eyes, I always add like a yellow brightener. It just instantly picks them up and makes them look alive again. So next I'm gonna go on top with like a smoky liner color. Take both of these colors to kind of like make it more smoky. Ooh. Okay, that is a wing. That is a wing. I'm gonna take this side right here and just go over the top so it doesn't look so harsh and it kind of looks a little bit more smoky and hazy. I'm not mad at this look, actually. I was scared for a second. When I saw the packaging, I was like, oh my god, this is dollar store makeup. I mean, not scared because I can make it work. You know, if you use the right techniques, you can make it work. It's not the most amazing eyeshadow, but it's working and it's blending. I'm gonna actually take one of these makeup wipes. This is a black makeup wipe. That is so cool. charcoal and green tea. It smells good. I've never seen a black makeup wipe. I'm gonna take this dirty mustard color right here on this brush right here. This is a L'Oreal Los Angeles brush in L18 and sweep this through the crease right there. Just so we can have some type of transition. I'm gonna put that on the lower lash line too. I love dirty mustard colors. Concealer brush and a natural color shadow and just clean up underneath my brow. I just want to clean my brow area. I feel like we need an inner corner highlight and we have a lot of options. So I'm gonna go with this one right here. Oh my god, that is white. That is super bright. I'm gonna stop there with the eye look. I think this is pretty good for what we have going on here. I'm gonna add some lashes. I have my own that I brought from home. I reuse them every day. They're my, lashes. I always have them on. I am back with the lashes. Honestly, this brush is not bad at all. Like, it works so amazing to me. I feel like both sides are actually pretty good. And then this side is just perfect. Like, it's nice and dense. We also have an eyeliner in our shell eyeshadow. Oh, this is the eyeliner. Not very pigmented, but it's okay, right? I think I might scratch my eyeball off. Also has a mascara in it. Let's look at this wand. Ooh, this is the wand. I definitely think there's better boxes out there, and I wanted something that would have different brands in it, so I wanted to choose something like this. This is like a really chunky mascara, like it goops up a little bit, but it's giving me so much nostalgia that I'm good. I'm happy with it. I'm fine. Wait a minute, where did this come from? Because the eye pencil is right here. This must have fell out of somewhere. Ooh, this one's way more pigment in it. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna use this one. Ooh, yeah, it's definitely hiding the skin. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the lower lash line. Do a little tiny smokiness out there. I don't know where this fell from, but I'm happy it fell. So now I'm gonna move on to the face. We had some makeup on the face. We kind of had to take a little bit off because the eyeshadow got messy. So I'm gonna go in with a different sponge. I wanna try this one. I know this is probably better for powders, but I wanna try whatever this is. Ooh, this smells weird. Ugh, this sponge, it smells like, I don't know why I'm smelling it over and over again because it smells so bad, but it smells weird. This makeup wipe actually works pretty well and it smells good. It's black so you don't see all the nastiness. I like it. I'm gonna take this big blush right here and pop that on to my cheeks. Okay, that is very pigmented. All right, so we also have a powder in here. We can test it like here, I guess. Oh yeah, you see that? It's like a little bit more. Imagine that on my under eyes. No thank you. I haven't used this brush yet. I feel like this would be good for like a cream contour, but I'm just gonna work that in as a bronzer. This is actually gonna have to be a bronzer because there's way too much orange going on in this powder. For the highlight, I'm gonna take this one right here from the bigger palette. I'm gonna go over my whole face with the Beauty Blender again to make sure all of this red and orange is mixed in and it looks natural. We have a tiny baby red lip liner. Ooh. It's actually pink. This is so tiny that it's like tickling my lips. Now we're going into the lips. I'm gonna go with this guy. It's a little less orangey. Honestly, looks like a gloss. This one is called Princesa 5. Let's see what that looks like. This is so sheer. I actually like this color. This lip plumping gloss that says it's supposed to make your lips look sexy and shiny. Let's see what it does. She's luscious. This is my full look using the Amazon mystery box. I'm not gonna say how I feel about this look. You just let me know in the comments, considering. Thank you guys for watching. I had so much fun doing this video. If you know of any other mystery boxes, let me know. I want to try them out and see what I get. Don't forget to check out these two videos if you missed them. And before I let you go, I always leave you with a little note from me to you that you can keep with you. And that is, do not take the people that you love in your life for granted. After you leave this video, just go click out of the screen, put your laptop down, whatever you got to do. Look at who you live with and really ask yourself if you're cherishing that moment with them or cherishing that day with them, because you never know what can happen. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and until the next video, bye dollies.